Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to install Java on your Windows device. The first thing you need to do is to check whether Java is already installed or not. So now there are two ways you can do this. The nicer way is by simply going to Settings, then going to Apps, Installed Apps, and searching for Java. If Java is not here, then Java is not installed. However, the better way to check is closing this and opening up the terminal and typing up, you have to do exactly Java JAVA space minus VERSION. Press enter. And if you get this error message, that means Java is not installed. Okay. So once you've determined whether or not you have Java, you can now go to the next step, which is installing Java. Open up your Google, search up Oracle Java, then go to Downloads, and now you'll see we have JDK 25, JDK 21. Of course we want the newer one, which is probably better, hopefully. So now we have Linux, Mac, and Windows. This is a Windows tutorial, so we'll click on Windows, go for the middle one. Press download. Okay. Once it's downloaded, you can open it up and press yes. Okay, next. Your file path doesn't really matter too much, just make sure you know where this is and wait. Okay, it says successfully installed. Press close, and now you can open up your terminal once more. And do the same prompt from before, JAVA minus VERSION, enter, and you now have this, which is not an error message. However, what is the point of having Java if you can't run any code? So once your Java is installed, come here, right click, new, text documents, and then name it Hello World. Now, if you write code here, it won't work because this is currently a TXT file. And if you can't see this, go to View, go to Show, and make sure file name extension is selected. Okay. To fix this, right-click this, select, right-click, rename, delete the TXT, replace that with Java. Enter. It'll give you a warning because you're now changing the type of file. It's going from a text file to a Java file, which is what we're trying to do here. So press yes. Then now you want to open this up with Notepad. Okay, once we're here, I won't really tell you how this works, but I will say name your files the exact same as I am if you want to follow along blindly. But I'll walk you through the brief format. First write class, then the name of your file. If yours is the same as mine, just copy from the description. If not, you'll need to change this to Hello World. Okay, once you've done this, do curly brackets twice, open and close. Inside here, you now need to create what they call just where the computer starts running the code from. Yet again, just kind of copy and paste this. I'm not teaching you Java, I'm teaching you how to run Java. Okay, so it's public. This will all be in the description. Public static void main string args, close that up, more curly brackets, and inside here you can finally write your code. System has to be capital S .out.println. Open the brackets, inside here put your speech bubbles, and now we can add the famous hello world. And don't forget to add your semicolon to end your line. But this will all be inside the description. The only thing you might need to change is this, which is the name of your file. Once you've done this, File, Save, close this. Now open up your terminal. And what you want to do is go to your file, right click it, copy as path, go back to your terminal, Control V, press enter, and once you're here, all you have to do is type in this line of code. JAVAC, the name of your file, which I will shortcut to by just doing this. Delete that, and then you can press enter. And if you get no error message, that means everything is good. If you do get an error message, you'll just need to check your code and see if something's wrong. I will show you an example of that later, so it looks a bit different. Okay, then we'll file save this. If this runs, God. Oh my God, sorry, I forgot the semicolon. The dreaded semicolon, okay. And then just do Java, name of your program again. Hello world, but without the .java this time. And then, if everything is correct, hello world, there we go. That's exactly what my code does. And to show you, if I open this up again with Notepad, I can do hello world editing to show. I can save this, close this, then I can do javac, Control V, just create the class again, press enter. I can do Java hello world, press enter, and there we go. Hello world editing to show. Okay, and that's your Java installed. However, this isn't how you want to be running code. You'd rather get an IDE, all that stuff. I will make another video to show you how to set up your IDEs, Visual Studio, all that cool good stuff that you really need to learn how to code. If you got any value from this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. This is my first video. I'll be making many more coding, computer science, all that sorts type of videos. Thank you for watching. Look out and take care.